Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you uh, Invoice application which I have developed in Excel using VBA code. So you can see guys the UI of this application. First menu, you can say that this is the menu of the application menu. Okay, so we will discuss the each and every functionality of this application. So let's start here. You can open here, you can see the open invoice form. So once you click here open invoice form, all the field will be cleared, and now you are ready to enter the details of this field. And one more functionality before this, suppose if you click here, you did not enter anything else, so it says please fill the details, which is highlighted in yellow color. So once you click OK, all the area will be highlighted here. So you can uh, enter the mobile number first, suppose 8802167016. Okay, and now I'm sorry, here email ID, suppose abc at tech.com. We can take here, and we can enter here address would be suppose sector 62, uh, a block Noida, and UP. You can enter here. And guys, you want to take a product, suppose shirt s, you type here simply s. What product we have here, so it should be here, shirt is visible here. And now you can enter here the quantity, suppose you want 50. Okay, and discount 10% you applied here, and 18% suppose you applied. This is not mandatory field, this is your choice. If you want to apply this discount and GST according to the our calculation will be according to this field calculation. If you will not choose these fields, though your calculation would be flat. Okay, suppose the one short price would be to 500. Okay, now you can calculate this one. Suppose once again click here to calculate the amount, total amount 27,000. Okay, again you want to add one more item here, so you can click add more item, click the list here. So here you can show the what project, suppose what suppose you want to buy jeans. Okay, uh, so jeans is a 300, so and here 100 piece. Okay, so you can get the 5% discount. Suppose you have given, you don't apply here the GST, and the unit price would be suppose 300. Now you can click here again to calculate the invoice. Okay, now you can see here 55,500 total invoice amount. And if you want to add some one more item here, so you can see here the one more item row added here. So suppose no if suppose you want to delete it, so only you wanted two items, so you can delete delete item list. So you simply click on this, everything would be adjusted. So this is the invoice, and now you want to print this invoice, so you simply click here print only. So you will see that your invoice will be generated on PDF format. Now it will show something like this. So here the invoices of these things. So your invoice number, date, customer number, and email ID, and this. Okay, and now and also we can see these things here. um, Here, this invoice. Okay, this one is an we can save the in particular folder. Here you can see here. And now we will move to another. Suppose and one things here, you can calculate the today's sales would be 99,650. This is the today's sales on okay. And okay, and one more thing here, and if you wanna see the total of each and every month, what is the sale of, what is the sale, so you can see in chart. So here January, February, March would be here, April. So you can see here November is most important things. So in November month, maybe guys, we can earn more money. Oh, good. So yeah, one more thing guys, I saw these things in column chart. You can see also these things on line chart. You can we are growing something like that. Okay, so and now this is the invoices we can generate. And one more thing here, suppose we have one more item added in my shop. So suppose we can add bag. Okay, bag 600. Okay, bag 600, and we added here. So bag 600 is inserted into the item list here. And now you can you can make another invoice. You can make another invoice. And you can simply click open invoice form. And yeah, all the field as usual will be cleared. Now you can enter the, suppose same customer came in your shop. So we can 8802167016, right? And once you click that your click the once you enter the number, email ID, and customer address will be visible automatically. And now you can so we added here bag. So we only click here B, all the item will be visible here. Bag only, this is the bag only. So five, suppose 20 we 20 piece we will uh, we want. So discount, suppose you have given discount 10%, and unit price one of the bag 600. So you can calculate again here. You can calculate again here, though this one the amount would be uh, 10,800. Okay, so now you can print this one as well. You print this one again, and now you can see here invoice, receipt, and another invoices. So this is the look like something this. And now you can check the today's sales as well. This one and 110450. And here also you can check on the chart as well. You can see the amount is increases. Okay, now close this one. And now we can know for particular day what was the sale. Suppose yesterday, yeah, day before yesterday, what was the sale. Suppose today I want to know today's sale. Because 08 DD and 11 and 2022. Okay, and now you can click here, so you can see 110450. okay, and today's sale was 110450. So you can hi friends, this is the Tajuddin. I'm gonna show you today uh, the feature of this application. Basically it is this is an invoice application. So how we can be generate the invoices for the particular shop or anything else. So now we let's start from this open invoice form. So we will discuss each and every functionality of this application. So firstly we need to click here open invoice form here. So now all the field will be cleared, and again fresh form will be uploaded here. Now we can enter the here mobile number and etc. Suppose we can take mobile number 1 888 uh, 5 time 8, suppose 5 time 8 8 uh, 7 8 10. Okay, now we have taken mobile this one, and we can add the email id tas@gmail.com. Okay, now we can put the address here, customer address, um, suppose Ghaziabad, Vijayanagar, Nagar. Okay, and here we can only first we can type the first letter of the item. Suppose we enter S. So click the drop down menu, so we can select this one short, and suppose we want to take 20 pieces, and you want to give the discount, and suppose you want to apply the GST charge, and the price of the one item is 500 rupees. Okay, so you want to calculate, so you need to click here in this, so you can see the calculation has done, and here GST also apply. If you don't want to apply the GST, you can simply remove this and again click here, so your amount would be adjusted. Suppose you don't want to give the discount here, you also remove this field and click here, and now your calculation will be something like that. Suppose you want to add one more item here, you need to click more item list here, and uh, add another items here, so you can click here. Suppose you want a jeans and 30 pieces, and you want to discount 10%, and the price of this jeans 31 piece of the price, so you can calculate here, and the total amount would be 18,100. Okay, so and you want to add one more item here, so what you will do, suppose no, two item is enough for us, so you can simply click delete item list, everything would be adjusted accordingly, and now your invoice would be 18,100. Now you can click the print. So oh, now you can see your invoice on PDF form. So these things something look like that. uh, okay, and it is also saved in our drive. uh, and we can save that in here. There are three invoices we have generated here. We enter the mobile number, you can see the and today date, and one more thing, suppose you want to check today's sales here, you can simply click on that, this sales here 12,815, and you want to suppose you want to know the previous sales date, what was the sale, yesterday, day before yesterday. So what would be, suppose I want to today sell all as well, 208 double 11 2022, and click. Okay, so you can see the amount, and you want to clear these things again. So uh, you can simply click the open invoice form. Now your form will be open, uploaded fresh. And now you suppose you have a new items in market, you want to add your database list. Suppose a bag 600 you can add here, and your item listed you in your item list. And then suppose double and your mobile number, your same cost. uh, and what was the mobile number? Yeah, your mobile number, if you enter the mobile number here, your mobile number, if you entered mobile number here, so your two field value will come automatically. And now you can add here, suppose a bag B, and sorry, you can here you can check this bag and what quantity you want. For suppose 40 quantity, and 20% you give the discount. One bag price would be 600, and now you can click here and calculate these things. Okay. And it is calculated now. Now you can print it. Now you can print here also. Another more invoice is generated. So here, and your invoices has been completed. Now if you want to delete this item, you don't want to sell this item, so you simply you can delete this item from your database. You can say only type this name here, and you can delete this item. Okay. So this is the feature of this item, guys. And if this is only we developed myself. If you have any suggestion for this, so please share with us, because I know a lot of things we need to do with this application. But still, if you give your feedback, so that would be good for me, and so we can improve and use. Thanks for showing your interest in my videos. Thank you very much.